What's up, everybody? We're here at, you guessed it, the Braille house. And as you can see, I guess it's not really new now because you guys have seen a lot of videos using this section. But we got rid of, what did you guys call it? Doug's Pyramid or whatever? Well, whatever it was called. And now we have the A-frame, or whatever you want to call it, to flat. So you can do tricks and land straight to the flat and you have more time.
What if I don't want to?
What if you don't want to?
Yeah.
Well, yeah. So you can skate off of this to flat, and it's a lot easier to do some tricks like double flips or some other tricks that you need to flip a lot in the air instead of doing it on flat. And that's not the main reason we got the ledge there. I'm not doing any tricks on the ledge, but Glow probably will. You'll see that video soon. And yeah, so my idea is come up this way. Since I'm regular, I'll be coming in like this. Boom. And then triple flip off of it. So
you're crazy, bro.
I don't think I've ever done a triple flip off of something. I guess it's not really off of something, but yeah, I guess it is off.
Have you done a triple flip before?
Yeah, but it shouldn't even count because it was like double toe touch. It was like, so I don't think it counts. And this is off stuff. I feel like it'll be harder, but
yeah,
we'll see. So I think I gotta get warmed up and do like a kickflip. Just on the A-frame first, not even off.
I was gonna say, how are you gonna warm up? Kickflip, double flip?
Yeah.
Triple flip?
That's what I was thinking. But I think I'm gonna just kickflip over this first. This is the first video, so I'm not even fully warmed up. Holy moly, what was that?
You almost fell. Damn, boy.
That one was pretty good. Okay, first drop of the day. Not too bad, my legs aren't hurting. I'm gonna do another one of those kickflips, see how it feels.
That's a nice kickflip.
Well, yeah, I guess the kickflip isn't too bad. Should I try a double flip? I just want to try one, see what happens. Ugh. I thought I wasn't landing, and I landed on the board.
Yeah, it didn't look like you were gonna land at all.
Yeah, same. That's why when I landed, I was like, what? I was so surprised, and I fell. What the heck?
We got doors closing on their own.
Yeah, right here. This is for the Braille house ghost.
I feel like triple flip is gonna be easy for you, but rolling away clean might be hard.
That's exactly what I was thinking too. Because especially off of drops, I always land sketchy, even if it's a small drop. That was more than two.
You were nearly there.
Yeah, it was 2.5.
Is it me, or did the gap between the A-frame and the ledge just shrink?
Shrink?
It looks way smaller now.
I feel like it got bigger.
Than it did like 3 minutes ago.
Huh, maybe. Dude, that was so bad.
Now, you flipped two and you barely even tried.
Yeah. It's a good warm up, first video of the day. Triple flip, then I'll be sending it all day and I'll be a little doo-doo head. What was that? I wasn't expecting to land that one.
Wait until the next video. JD switchboard slide the handrail.
It's a good idea, actually.
I got the ideas.
Yeah, scary. I gotta ask Glow for the tips on that one. This is gonna be the hardest trick of the day. Just the double flip, not even the triple flip.
It's because you're restraining yourself.
Yeah. Bro!
You're gonna land the triple quicker than this.
Probably. Ew! Ew!
Oh!
Oh!
You're doing like some weird flip. Can you ollie late flip?
No, unless you call this a late flip. Like that. Dude, this double flip is gonna take longer than the triple flip. Maybe not. Still pretty
decent. You know a trick I think you could do that you should do?
What?
Is tray flip the 5.
Yeah, I don't know though.
That'd be a good persistence.
I just did one perfectly for some reason. I'm on and off with that trick. Still bad. Okay, what?
What do you think about the double flip? You happy with it? You good for warm up?
Yeah, I think it's good enough for warm up.
Okay.
Because I don't want to waste my whole time on that double flip.
That's valid. Well, the good thing about that double flip is that it looked like you were barely trying.
I guess that's pretty good. Yeah. So what do I do to triple flip? Just full kick with the karate?
Yeah, move your front foot further back, I think, a little bit. And I think the key thing for you is make sure you pop solid, but keep that board straight because you don't want it to start turning.
Okay, yeah, that's true.
But I think
that's what's gonna happen. It's gonna turn a lot.
Yeah,
that's
like
the main thing.
You want to land it straight. You don't want to land it like turning front side or back side.
Exactly.
At all.
All right, first attempt, first tee. Oh, that was 3.5.
That was over. Holy quad?
Quad?
That's for a different video. Bro, that is so easy. What the?
I think I got that pretty easy.
I think you got that very easy as well. Oh my God, was that double?
Triple? I don't even know.
That looked to me like double.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
But I'm also looking at a tiny screen that is about 2.5 by 1.5 inches like big, so I can't really see.
Yeah, it felt like 2 too. Okay.
That was 2.5.
Yeah, that one was really bad.
This is JD to start this trick, and this is JD after the trick.
Bruh. I had a feeling that would happen. I would flick too early and just...
I think you gotta slow down and make every try count.
That's true. That was 2.5.
Yeah, I think there's like a fine balance between waiting too long to flick and flicking too quick, and I think you're waiting a little too long to flick.
Yeah, or the other. There we go. Right here, landing it. Oh!
2.5. You good?
Yeah. I thought that one was gonna flip perfectly, and then it didn't. That's what's gonna happen.
That was 2.
That was 2?
I think it was 2.
Really?
You caught it early.
Oh no. When I landed, we're gonna have to review the footage because I don't even know.
No, I'll know.
Can't tell if that was 2.5 or 3.5.
I'm getting confused.
Yeah, same. I just gotta land and see what happens. Was that 3?
Was that 3?
I don't know. We gotta review that.
Bruh.
That felt good. I wasn't expecting that.
I think that might have been 2, but let's see.
We gotta look. All right, we'll be right back.
All right, JD, you just did 3 so perfect in the review that I'm gonna give you 10 minutes to try quad.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. I was thinking the exact same thing. Sunlight quad first tee, you owe me 1 high five.
Wow, a whole high five?
Yeah, kind of risky deal for you.
That was 4.
Quad?
That was 4.
Okay.
That was legit 4.
Okay. I need to ask Ricky on this. He's probably sleeping still though.
Okay.
Ow!
If you land the quad flip right now, I will buy you a souvenir magnet and shirt from Cincinnati, Ohio.
Probably not gonna use. Actually, I will. I actually do need to get a magnet for my mom.
Yeah, you do.
My mom loves magnets and collecting. Ugh. I feel like it's just so far in front of me. I'm just like landing with 1 foot and not trying to get the other foot on. This is actually really difficult.
It is, yeah.
Okay, right here.
That was 3.5.
Yeah, that's 3.5.
There's like you gotta find like the perfect flick. It's crazy.
Yeah. I'm like trying to.
Where's your front foot at on the board?
I put it like right here.
Yeah, that's a pretty good spot.
I think. I don't even know. I just put it where it feels good. That was 3.5
What
too.
happens, like keep your foot in that same spot, like on the board, but experiment with like how much of your foot is on the board. Like try some with less, try some with more.
Okay.
Because I feel like once you get to that many flicks, you're gonna need like a little more contact to make it flick, maybe.
That's true. Okay, so less off is not it.
Yeah.
I gotta be like in the middle, I think.
Happy medium.
Yeah, shout out happy medium.
Oh, that was only half flip off.
Yeah, I know. I kind of just want to commit to it and see if it'll flip all the way or not. It was cold at our house. Man, it's kind of hot out here, to be honest, when I'm skating. Woo! I think that was 4, but I was just way too far in front of me.
Completely out of control.
Yeah.
3.5.
I don't even know, yeah. Half of them I don't even know. I'm gonna just try to land it, and if it works, you know? Oh my gosh. That was 3.
Triple.
I could tell that was 3. That was 3.5.
3.5.
I feel like I can't even catch this trick. I just have to let it go.
That would have been it.
3.5.
That was 4. That was 4. You literally just get the legs in the air and just float, and then land out at the very last second.
Yeah. I feel like I'm over preparing sometimes.
How many more tries you want? How are you feeling?
5 tries. If I land it within 5 tries, you gotta buy me lunch.
Dang.
No, I'm joking. I don't even know what I want for lunch. All right, I'm gonna land it right here. The freaking 3.5.
3.5.
That rollout was not.
JD, I need you to teach me pressure flips. That is impossible.
You just gotta do an impossible.
I can't impossible.
I'll teach you. I'll figure it out.
3.5. Don't tire yourself out. It's the first video of the day. Oh! Oh my God! You all right?
Yes.
Oh no! I knew we should have stopped.
At least you got that on video.
Bro, it looked like you got possessed. Dude, why did you get whipped so hard?
I don't even know.
It's literally like the Braille house ghost grabbed you by the shoulder and just pulled you down.
Yeah, it's like freaking something just pulled my back leg down and I couldn't move it for a second. Dude, that hurt.
All right, this is part 1. You'll land the quad flip, I know you will.
Yeah, I'll get it eventually.
But not when the Braille house ghost is out to get you.
I know, I closed the door and he was watching me. And then the one time that he filmed on Gabe's phone, he was like, nope, you're not gonna get close so that it'll just look funny instead of cool. Well,
Triple flip though?
yeah,
Fire.
I got a triple flip. Thank you all for watching this video and seeing me go through getting like pinned down by a freaking ghost. There's some videos over there. Make sure you go watch them. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And I will see you when I land this quad flip. Coming soon, I hope.